In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check pending payments in Hostinger. If you need to review an unpaid charge or complete a payment that's still waiting in your account, Hostinger makes that process very simple. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go so you can find any pending payments quickly and manage them without confusion. To get started, open your Hostinger account and sign into your dashboard. Once you're inside, take a moment to make sure you're on the main account area where you can access your settings and billing options. If you have multiple services, don't worry, because the payments section is managed from your account profile rather than from an individual website. Next, click on your profile. This is usually located in the top area of the dashboard, and it's where you'll find account-related options. After opening the profile menu, look for the billing section and click on it. This is the area where Hostinger lets you manage your payments, subscriptions, and other billing details in one place. Once you're in billing, you'll be able to review the payment-related information connected to your account. This is especially useful if you're trying to keep your hosting services active, avoid interruptions, or simply confirm whether there's anything that still needs your attention. Under the subscriptions section, you'll see any pending payments associated with your account. Hostinger lists these so you can clearly identify which subscription or service still requires payment. Take your time to look through the list carefully and find the specific pending payment you want to complete. When you locate that payment, select it. This will open the relevant payment details and allow you to continue with the completion process. Be sure to review the subscription name and payment amount so you know you're working with the correct item before moving forward. That can help prevent mistakes, especially if you manage more than one hosting plan or service. And that's it. That's how to check pending payments in Hostinger. As a quick tip, it's a good idea to check your billing section regularly, especially before a renewal date, so you can catch any pending charges early and keep your services running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.